On today's video, we're going to replace this 1/2 inch cpvc valve underneath our sink. It's leaking. So what we're going to do is just cut a section out and replace it. First thing we have to do is shut off our water, either at a isolating valve or a main somewhere. So what I'm going to do here is cut out a section, and I'm going to make sure we're going to have enough room to put some slip couplings in here. So let's go ahead and cut out a good little section here. What I'm going to do here is duplicate this valve and the fittings. I'll show you guys how to do that. What we're going to do here is we're going to make a duplicate of this valve here. So what I'm going to do here, we're using this cpvc glue right here. In there. Both sides. Stick it in there. Okay, then we're going to do... Right now I'm just putting some glue right here at these fittings. Turn. Right there. Alright. Alright, so right here so far. Right there. See that? Okay. So that's pretty much a duplicate. So now we're going to put our cups. I'm going to put a cup here and a cup here. That way we can slide it in, guys. All the way in, return, return. Okay, there it is there. That's our duplicate with our cups. So now we're going to go in there and slide this. Now we're going to go ahead and glue it. Here. There's water down on the bottom, but we'll be alright. Alright, let's go ahead and put it in now. Just like so. Make sure you got a good bite. You hold pressure on this for at least a couple minutes. Hold it together so it doesn't slip out. And then you let it set up for about an hour, and then turn your valves back on. Check for leaks. No leaks. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like. You're breathing hard.